23 million views, 9.1 million views, 7.9 million views, and it just keeps happening. Upload after upload, pulling in millions of views like it's effortless. Now think about that for a second. If you saw numbers like these, you'd probably assume there's a huge team behind the scenes. Writers, editors, designers, an entire content studio working nonstop. But here's the part that shocked me. This channel has grown to nearly 14 million subscribers, and they're posting simple content AI can generate. That means no large team, no expensive setup, no endless hours. And it gets even crazier. This channel is making between $25,000 and $69,000 per month. Yeah, from short-form AI content. So naturally, I asked myself, how are they doing this? And after digging through the content, studying the structure, the pacing, and the consistency, I found the exact tool behind this new wave of content creation. And honestly, this feels like a productivity revolution. This tool can help generate an entire 50-episode series before you even finish your morning coffee. Consistent characters, smooth storytelling, and visuals that look unbelievably polished. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works using Pippit AI, the world's first AI short drama agent powered by the Dreamina Seedance 2.0 engine. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate video script. First, open Pippit AI, and once the homepage loads, look for the tool called Short Drama Agent. This is the feature that helps create story-based content with scenes that feel connected from beginning to end. After clicking that, go straight into the AI scriptwriter, because this is where your raw idea gets transformed into something much more professional. Now take the prompt I provided earlier, copy it carefully, and paste it directly into the scriptwriter box inside Pippit. Once the prompt is in place, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Pippit starts expanding your original concept into a complete script. It builds the story flow, improves the structure, and turns a simple prompt into something that feels like a real production plan. When the script appears, read through it briefly, then click Confirm Script. After that, you'll be asked to choose your aspect ratio. And this matters because it determines how your final video will look on different platforms. If you want short-form content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, choose vertical. If you want traditional YouTube video format, choose horizontal. Once you select the format you want, click Confirm again. Immediately after that, Pippit prepares your scene outline, your character roles, and the full visual structure for each part of the story. This means the platform is not just writing your script, it is also organizing exactly how the video should look scene by scene. Next, click Generate Episodes, and then choose Generate Shooting Script. This gives the AI more detailed instructions for each moment in the story. After that, click Generate again to animate the characters. Pippit will automatically begin creating each scene for you. Once every scene is finished, click Render Full Episodes. Wait for the system to process everything, and then click Download. And just like that, your full AI video is ready, with surprisingly consistent characters that look so natural most viewers will never believe it was generated by AI. And if you want to create videos like this faster, Pippit AI is an all-in-one AI tool with voice, sound effects, background music, and more in one place. If you're serious about making this kind of content, Pippit AI can make the entire process much easier. Access the AI short drama agent powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0 on Pippit now. Experience the next era of creation. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.